What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So the Unihertz Tank Pad has been making some waves in the tech community lately, right? I've been getting a lot of comments about this tablet, and for good reason, right? This is a rugged Android tablet that's designed to withstand rough areas, right? So I've been getting a bunch of comments about this tablet, and I've been making video after video giving you guys my thoughts about it. Is it really worth the attention? Let's find out. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So let's go on and talk a little more about the specs. It got a 10.95-inch 1920 by 1200 IPS 120 Hz display. It's rocking a Dimensity 8200 processor, 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage. We got SD card and SIM support here. We got a 21,200 milliamp battery, and this thing is running Android 14 to boot. So it looks impressive. It got all the powerful processing. We got plenty of RAM, long-lasting battery life. But in the real world, how does it perform? And how does it handle real tasks? Demanded tasks like gaming? Handle it pretty well. And does this tablet have any limitations that holds it back? Well, I spent some quality time with the Unihertz Tank Pad, and I'm going to share you my honest opinion and thoughts about this tablet. So one of the things that impressed me about this tablet is the performance. Look, the Dimensity 8200 processor, I absolutely love it. 16 gigs of RAM. Wow, this thing is surprisingly snappy. 120 Hz display. Even with a resource-intensive apps, playing games, and doing some video editing on here can be done. Now, the screen is much better than I expected. You know, nice brightness, viewing angles is okay. But what really blew me away about this tablet is the battery life. This battery is like the Energizer Bunny. You could get days and days of battery life even with heavy use. So no worries about battery life on this tablet. But everything ain't sunshine and roses, right? There's some downsides with this tablet. Let me get some of the bad stuff out the way right now. And one of the things that I want to talk about right now is the lack of support. Look, almost every Unihertz device that I've had is lacking on support, even though the Tank Pad is a new device. But looking at the history of Unihertz, I've reviewed almost every device, and I haven't received not one update. Why? No security patches, no updates. Why? Right? And that is a bad thing. That is a bad thing. So if you're going to invest in this tablet, you have to be okay with its current state, you know, because, hey, listen, you have to understand this tablet may not get no updates. So you have to be cool with that. So let me answer some questions that I keep getting on previous videos of me making videos about this tablet, right? Let's talk about it. First, the call features. So yes, this tablet works like a regular smartphone. I have a smartphone SIM card in here. Yes, you can make phone calls. You can use text messages. And yes, you can use it as a hotspot, and you can tether this tablet with other devices. This tablet works on 5G that I tested on T-Mobile and Mint Mobile. Now, I haven't tried this tablet on AT&T or Verizon. Most likely, this tablet would not work on AT&T, just so you know. So the next question I got is, how heavy is this tablet? Well, the Tank Pad comes in at 1,120 grams. Let me put that in perspective. The iPad Pro M4 13-inch tablet weighs 579 grams. That means that this tablet is 541 grams more heavier than the iPad Pro. Now that's almost 2 iPads put together. That's how heavy this tablet is. Next thing you guys ask is the price. Well, it's $499 and it's only available on AliExpress as of me recording this video. Unfortunately, this pad is not on the Unihertz website, not yet, but I believe it's coming soon. The price, $499, just so you know. Next, the projector specs. It goes as follows. It's a DLP laser projector with a resolution of 854 by 480p. Now the brightness level is 100 luminous. Now the focusing range is up to 3 meters, right? Yes, I say 480p. That is, on paper, it sounds low. It looks good, but it sounds low. But if you're looking for a 1080p or 4K projector, this tablet is not for you. Just think about it. This tablet is not for you if you're looking for a high quality projector. So despite all the flaws that I talked about in this video, especially the support, the Unihertz Tank Pad has won me over for a few reasons. First, the ruggedness. I really do like it. Not worried about breaking this tablet. The battery life. Not worried about battery life here, right? Performance. Performance is outstanding on here. I love playing games. I love using the projector on here. Now, listen, this tablet is not for everybody. Some people might not like the price point. Some people might not like that it's heavy and big and bulky. Some people may not like that you don't get no support. That's understandable. This tablet is not for everyone. But this tablet is for the person that's thinking out of the box. We know that it's going to be a one and done device. We know that the projector is pretty decent on here. We know that you got the power. We know that the screen is good, bright, the ruggedness. You put up a game pad on here that I have a controller on here, play games, and you can play games for hours and hours and hours. Yes, I did some video editing on here also, and it works. It works. The phone calls works, right? I had Bluetooth headphones in, and I made some phone calls here. It works. It really does work. So, I mean, look, they have a lot of tablets out there, and you have a choice between iPads and Galaxies and Lenovo's and all kinds of different tablets out there. This is one out of many tablets out there in the wild, and it's okay. Competition is good. Look, if you want to see more videos of the Tank Pad, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is Eric the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Tank Pad in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.